show you guys real quick a key thing to do when you put your carpet in your VW. A lot of guys will use a screwdriver to pry this edge up, and that's not the right tool. The best thing to use is a wide putty knife, and then instead of trying to shove the carpet in before, trying to shove it in this edge and then fight it and then try and glue it, it's better to glue it first. Put a strip of, run your glue along this edge underneath. It's glued down, see? And then afterwards, take your putty knife and shove it in. It's hard for me to do this. You need to really have your hand down there. It takes a little bit of work. And then shove it in, because then it comes out nice and clean. Because what ends up happening is you're trying to shove it in with the carpet with the glue on it, and it's wanting to stick to it, and it doesn't want to go in. So I don't know if I covered this in the last video. I think I just had already put this piece in. So I'm just going to go over a few key things on your carpet, what you need to do as you put it in, and to make it a little bit easier. Even if you use a carpet kit too, same way. You do it this way. You glue it first. You make sure it's overlapped a little bit out to here, like this is, and then shove it in afterwards. And sometimes you'll need to cut a little bit, but you just shove it in there, and then that's when you need your nice, good carpet shears. I have some Weiss carpet shears. That's, you can't really do a really good job with a razor blade or Harbor Freight Tools scissors. Okay, they just don't, or just regular scissors. You need some good carpet shears if you're going to do a good job, because you can't cut straight with them. So razor blade, you're always wobbly. You can do it, but it's going to take you a lot longer, and you're going to probably mess up at some point. All right. So you can see how that turned out. You also notice that I've seam sealed everything and painted everything before I put the carpet in, because we really want to try and protect that area for moisture underneath there. If there ever is a roof leak, it is a Volkswagen. It probably will leak some point. You want to make sure it's all painted really good, and make sure that that's all protected. That's all. I did a rust treatment, then I did a seam seal on all the welds, and then after that I went ahead and put the paint down there. So